Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound rise 0.5% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.6% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Asian and European markets rallied, building on the momentum of gains in the United States and elsewhere at the end of last week, as investors price in the expectation of further interest rate hikes aimed at taming inflation. The Securities and Exchange Commission will set up 2 new offices and add them to its Division of Corporation Finance's Disclosure Review Program. One of the offices will deal with crypto filings and disclosures from digital asset service providers. The Cupertino tech giant last week said its new iPhone 14s will be able to beam short distress messages and location data from places off the cellular grid as soon as November. The service will cover the US and Canada, but could expand to more countries.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0600 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index core at 1230 GMT. The UK's claimant count change will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 1230 GMT. Japan's machinery orders at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.